Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about modules. So what's the use of modules and why do we prefer different modules for our customizations, right? So basically these modules are divided based on the customer requirements. Like, let's say one customer wanted to just manage the HR related activity, so then he or she is going to choose the HR module, right? HR module to manage complete employee related information, be it employee performance, employee leave record, or employee competencies, or employee benefits, and what is the department of an employee. So whatever the related to the employee, you can be able to manage in HR. Similarly, let's say if you wanted to manage all your day-to-day activities of vendors, right? Vendors or sellers, so you can manage all the day-to-day activities of the vendors, or vendor bank account, or whatever which is related to a vendor. You can choose the accounts payable module. So means depending upon the business requirements, means depending upon the client. So we are going to segregate, the Microsoft have already segregated in terms of module based on the user requirement. Let's say if the user have the unique requirement, or if the user have a unique business, so at that point of time, if already existing, means which is provided by Microsoft, is not suitable, then what we can just do it is we can create the custom module and you can manage all the activities of that unique project details, right? Means if it is not matching anything here which is already existed, you can create one more custom module. Like accounts payable, we can also create a new custom module and manage all the data in that custom module. Okay, so these are about the modules. So see you in the next video. Subscribe for more, guys. Bye bye.